Hey everyone. Well, I had a lot of interest on this joystick here, so everyone's asking to take a quick video of it in action. So this is a quick video of it in action here. Sorry about the kind of poor lighting. It's hard to get a good video seeing the screen and the joystick at the same time without glare everywhere. So this is the best I can do. You can see right now it's 5200s down there on the floor. It's a 5200 running with an Atari Max cartridge plugged into it. Okay. Classic game. This is BallBlazer. Like the original controller, the asterisk brings up the menu select, and you can cycle through menu items and use the pound key for changing your options. Play against a droid for a minute. And the A is start, B is pause, and C is reset. Give it a shot here. So you can see, control is quite responsive. There's a long throw to the controller, which is kind of unavoidable with the joystick that's used. It's almost a 40 degrees of throw, I would guess. But if it wasn't being chased, you can actually go slow, and you can hard over on it. Bastard got my ball. And that's the controller. It's see, it's not CGI. It's not. I don't plan to be mass producing these. This is just a hobby of mine. I'm not a. My day job is an engineer, so this is just a hobby of mine to relax at night. But this is one joystick I'm making or made. Next one I'm doing is going to be a dual stick. It's going to have this analog stick and a digital stick, in addition to the keypad and buttons. And then I'm also working on converting Jaguar controllers over to 5200 controllers, because that's actually kind of a neat controller. It's probably the best part of our Jaguar was the controllers. They kind of look like an Atari Lynx that was shrunk, well, modified to be a controller. So there it is. You got your nice sized case. The case is large on purpose, and you can see it's actually, no matter what, it's much better than the original controllers. I'll give you that. So thanks for watching.